Good morning, May 12, 2024. So, rough road. Gagawin yata nila to. Tinanggal yung asphalt. Okay naman dahil we are on a mountain bike. May suspension tayo sa harap. And yung wheels natin 1.95 width, 27.5. Yun naman pala yung smooth road. Okay na yan. Okay. So two-way road now. On the left is Central Park. Ayan. Parking lot on the left. They've paved Paradise and put up a parking lot. Sabi nga sa isang kanta, hindi ko nakakantahin dahil ayokong copyright strike. Okay, so this is Asayan Drive. U-turn na tayo, balik tayo. It's around or past 7 in the morning. This portion walang ganong buildings, so hindi siya daanan ng sasakyan at mga tao. Okay. So this is the Asayan Drive. And we're back to the rough portion. Okay. Okay, yan yung Asayan Drive. And this is the corner of Parkway, Asayan Corner Parkway. So pakita tayo. Sabi ni Paring Jem, personal appearance. Yun tayo sa lilim.